Hey guys, it's Jerry Middleman Battaglia. I'm out here in Long Island, New York, in an area called Manorville, and we just picked up a car, a VW, and then we looked in the woods in the back of this person's property, and check this out. That's how you find them, guys. There it is, 350 Camaro. It's a 69, right? 69 Camaro in the woods, guys. '69 Camaro in the woods. We'll knock on that door in a couple minutes. Yeah. 350 emblem right there. There it is. That's how we find them. The car we picked up was all the way over there. This guy has two Barracudas. There's your 69 Camaro right there. Joe, it's got orange stripes. Pace car. Pace car, guys. Look at that, maybe. Orange stripes. That's how you find them, brother. In the woods. Woohoo! You go knock on the people's door. Tonight, Camaro Pace Car, possibly. Have a good day. Like and share this video. Subscribe to the channel. There you go. Jerry Middleman Battaglia, finding cars. And people say there's no cars in Long Island. Are you kidding me? Subscribe to that channel. Hit that bell notification, guys. I'm going to get me another one. Monday, April 19th. Gonna find me another car. I'll knock on their door. Have a great day.